5 ways El Nino can affect you, coming up next.
Number 1. Heat-related illnesses. El Nino can lead to higher temperatures in many regions, resulting in heat waves that can increase the risk of heat-related illnesses and even deaths, especially among vulnerable populations such as the elderly and those with pre-existing health conditions. Number 2. Crop failures. El Nino can disrupt normal precipitation patterns, leading to droughts in some areas and excessive rainfall in others. This can negatively affect crop fields and reduce agricultural productivity, leading to food shortages and higher prices for foods. Number 3. Infrastructure damage and repair costs. Increased rainfall during El Nino can lead to flooding, landslides, and other natural disasters that can damage infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and buildings. Number 4. Roof damage. Excessive rainfall and strong winds associated with El Nino can cause damage to roofs, gutters, and other parts of houses and buildings, leading to structural damages and leaks. Number 5. Water scarcity and droughts. El Nino can lead to drought conditions in certain regions, reducing water availability for drinking, agricultural, and other essential needs. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.